In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your email in Monday.com CRM. This process is fairly straightforward and won't take much of your time, but it will greatly enhance your ability to manage communications within your CRM system effectively. Let's kick things off by having you log into your Monday.com account if you haven't done so already. Once you're in, I want you to direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a small icon that looks like a dotted square. This is your gateway to the various features offered by Monday.com. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a menu. Now, from this menu, you'll want to select CRM. Choosing this option will transition you to the Customer Relationship Management section within Monday.com. It's important to be in this area since that's where the entire email setup will occur. Now that we're in the CRM area, let's move over to the Contacts tab. This is the hub for organizing and managing all of your business contacts. Click on this tab to enter. Within the Contacts view, you will see various items listed. Each of these entries represents a different contact. Select an item from this list to access the Update section. This is where you'll find key information and updates for each contact. As you explore the Update section, notice a plus symbol located there. This is your tool for expanding functionalities. Clicking on this symbol will allow you to add new views to your contact's details. From this ensuing list of options, you'll want to specifically select Emails and Activities. This choice is significant as it will add a new view which is specially designed for managing emails and corresponding activities. This setup makes it so much easier to handle and track communications linked to each of your contacts. With this new view in place, your next step is to look for a button labeled New Email. This button is fundamental as it initiates the process of setting up your email connection within your CRM. Go ahead and click on it to continue. At this point, you'll notice a pop-up appearing in the lower right corner of your screen. This pop-up will prompt you to log into your Gmail account. This step is crucial as it establishes the connection between your email account and Monday.com CRM, ensuring seamless integration. Once you've successfully logged into your Gmail, congratulations, you're all set up. You can now manage your emails directly from the Monday.com CRM platform, which is going to streamline your interaction and allow for a more integrated approach to handling client communications. And there you have it. Your email is now configured within Monday.com CRM. This setup should facilitate better tracking and management of your correspondence, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing.